Welcome to the DuraPost Gate installation guide. Today we'll walk you through the process to make sure you have a precise and secure installation. Your DuraPost gate will come in 3 separate boxes. In box 1 you will have your slam receivers, your cross rails, and you'll have your stiles. In box 2 you will have your corner brackets, which you assemble your gate with, the stile caps, your hinges, the lock for the door, your handles, the key and cylinder lock, scutcheon plates, and all of your screws and fixings to put the gate together. Box 3 is your gate infill panel. You have options for your infill, the Prima or Privacy. Start by installing the gate posts. It's crucial these are perfectly square and level both vertically and horizontally. Now I've got my post set, I can take the measurement between them and deduct 234mm. This will give me the length of the rail for the gate. This also gives me the size that I need to cut all of my infill panels to, which will sit inside of the groove. Install the corner brackets, keeping them assembled with the clips to avoid deformation. Use WD-40 for ease and avoid using an impact driver. Remove plastic and steel packers from the corner brackets after fixing. Place plastic packers in the uprights, ensuring the correct orientation. To cover it, so that's the bottom and that's the inside. So this would be on the bottom and then on the other side it would be on the top. Secure the bottom steel packer. Slide the hinge side cover strip into place and fix the top steel packer. When using DuraPost Aluminium privacy screen, you will have to cut an infill panel inside the stile to reduce the gap. Stack the infill panels in the gate frame with the tongue facing upwards to prevent gaps. So step 10, you have to fit cover strip G2 in the top of the gate before you put the end stile on. Slot the lock side upright onto the frame and secure it. Attach the end cover cap to the bottom and fit the bottom cover strip. Step 12, we insert G4. Slot in the lock mechanism and slide the cylinder and spindle through to locate. We need to install our slam kit. We have 2 different slams, one which takes the lock side and one for the hinge side. We're hinging the gate on this side, so we're going to install this one first. Fit the slam strips onto the post, leaving 10 to 15mm for the post cap. Fit the hinges to the gate, ensuring the roll in the steel faces the gate. That is your DuraPost gate, frame and infill complete. Now it's ready to hang. I find the easiest way to do the gate on my own is to put the top hinge on. I find the position by measuring down from the top of my gate to the bottom of the hinge, which would mark this point here. I put the mark onto the gate and I fix my hinge. I start by pre-drilling through, ready to take my fixing with a 3mm drill bit. Hang the gate by aligning and fixing the top hinge first. Use an inflatable door riser if necessary. Adjust the hinge for proper closing tolerances with the steel packers. Fit the striker plates to the lock slide slam. Avoid using an impact driver. Always lubricate fixings with WD-40. That's our DuraPost gate install complete. Let's do a walkthrough. If this is something you would like in your garden, please check the website to find a local stockist or an installer.